Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn photo to cartoon using Canva. So, without any more time wastage, let's get started. First, I'm going to Canva. You need to log in here. Just put your Gmail. This is enough. So, just click on here. So, I want to just click on Omen. Just enter. I want to select a smalling this image. This is so. First of all, I need to remove background. If you don't remove background, this is not matter. So just click on here, then just here app. Just click on app, and here are type of cartoon. CAR cartoon. Just click on enter. You can see this is icon. Just click on cartoon filter, then click on open, then cartoonize and replace. Just click on this icon. You can see this is for credit remaining today. It's only for me. So when you join and you got 5 attempt for every email. So if you have 5 email and 5 Canva account, you got 25 attempt every single day. I hope this is enough for you. So I'm waiting for this result. So I want to keep a copy here for comparing after this result. Oh my god, this is successfully done. So you can see this photo and this photo. This is much better than this is the real photo and this is cartoonist photo. So if you questions and ask me, I will give 10 out of 10 rating for these works. Thank you very much, Canva, for this work. I'm really surprised for this result. So, if you want to more videos, type up. Please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have subscribed this channel and turn on notification bell. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.